Here you can see these kinds of animated icons are displayed, and they are fully clickable. You can add these type of animated Instagram stories in your stoat. For example, if I click on the glass collection, it will redirect me to that collection. Similarly, there are some animated icons on my store as well, which can be placed anywhere. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will talk about how to add animated collection icons to your Shopify store. For example, I will first show you a store. You can see its name is Shop on Click, and here you can see what kind of animated icons are placed. These icons are fully clickable, and for instance, if I click on the glass collection, it will redirect me to that collection. You can also add animated icons to your store anywhere. So, to do this, you don't need any type of app. Let's take a look how to add this. First of all, you need to go to your online store and carefully follow all the steps. When you go to the online store, you'll see your theme. First, you need to take a copy of your theme. Never edit the active theme directly. Simply click on the three dots and duplicate the theme. Once it's copied, first, let me show you how this works. When I go to Customize, as you know, the customization page opens. This is a completely new store, so nothing is there yet. If I click on Add Section, you will see I have 16 sections available. Now I will edit it. I will click on the three dots and go to Edit Code. Here, my code editor for Shopify will open. You will see there is an option for a section. You need to open it and click Add New Section. Now, there are two types of files available, Liquid and JSON. You need to work with the Liquid file. You can give it any name, like Animated Collection, and click Done. Once you click Done, this file will be created, and it will contain some default code. You don't need to use the default code. Just select all and delete it. Now, you need to go to a website. The URL of the website has been provided in video description. Now you need to copy the whole code from here. After copying the code, go back to your editor and paste it. Once you paste it, save it. After saving, go to your store's customization, and you will see a new section rendered. For example, I will demonstrate it. I will go to the bottom, delete a section, then click Add Section, and you will find the option for Insta Category. Click on that, and you can drag and drop it to the section where you want it. For instance, if I want to place it at the top, I will drag it there. Then you will see an Add Collection option. Click on it and select the collection you want to display. For example, I have selected bracelets. You can change your collection name also. For example, I have written new name and it has been reflected. If you don't want to change the name, leave it blank and your default collection name will show here. You can add multiple collections in this way. Like I am adding second collection as earrings and third collection as rings. Once you add them, click Save and preview your store. You'll see your updated collections. Animated icons are trending a lot right now and look great on stores. You should definitely try it out. The link for the code will be available in the description. Copy it from there and follow the video steps. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment, and if you found the video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.